These American Trucks Graphics silver hood accent decals are a good choice for any 2015 or newer F-150 owner who might be interested in adding a small, stealthy, yet aggressive accent to the hood and side profile of the trucks. It goes great with any factory or custom color, and they're even a good and simple scratch cover-up. These are super affordable thanks to the budget-friendly price of only 20 bucks for the pair, and because they're a simple vinyl, the installation will get a sweet 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, but I'll touch on that in just a second. Now, obviously, taking a closer look at these decals, you'll notice that they are a straight vinyl cutout with pointed ends, reaching from one end of your front hood to the back of the front quarter panel, stretching inside the hood divot. Now, these would be a sweet match for a set of headlight trim that would make it all look like one complete set, running from the back of the front fender down to the bottom of the lights. Now, if you've got a blacked out truck, this is a good way to add some nice contrast to that murdered out look. And you can expect these to be made right here in-house at American Trucks Graphics out of the highest quality 4mm wrapping cast vinyl available in today's market. Now, these were designed to last at least 8 years in the harshest outdoor weather elements, since it's far more durable than any window vinyl. Now, it also has on the back an air release technology which includes mini air channels on the back side of the vinyl to allow the air to squeeze out from underneath for a wrinkle and bubble-free finish. Now, already, as I mentioned, this thing is extremely affordable, making it an easy way to add some customization to your truck for just about 20 bucks, and you get a set of 2. Now, they're guaranteed for a perfect fit on any F-150 model, including the Raptor. Now, as far as the install goes, you should expect to get this done in about an hour or less because it's pretty straightforward when it comes to the vinyl. Now, you'll need a squirt bottle with a soap and water mixture, not any Windex or anything like that, not as effective as good old soap and water. Now, you'll also need a squeegee and the directions included in the kit. You'll need to simply clean the area you're applying the decals to. That actually is the most important step. Then wet both sides of the vinyl as well as the area and apply it. Now, you'll be able to center it and wiggle it around a bit just to make sure it's centered before it sets in, and use the squeegee to push out any bubbles and wrinkles thanks to the air release technology. Overall, 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Now, just to wrap things up here, if you're the owner of a 2015 or newer F-150, you might want to check out the American Trucks Graphics silver hood accent decal, which can be found right here at AmericanTrucks.com.